What's the meaning of bricklayer? Bricklayer. Bricklayer.
Bricklayer. Bricklayer. A bricklayer is a skilled construction worker who is responsible for laying bricks and other masonry materials to construct buildings, walls, and other structures. They follow blueprints and plans to ensure that the structure they are building is sturdy and meets all safety codes. Bricklayers must have knowledge of brick types, mortar mixing, cutting materials to fit, and laying patterns. The result of their work is a solid structure that can withstand the test of time and weather conditions. A well-executed bricklaying job ensures that the building or structure will be durable and aesthetically pleasing for many years to come.